Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix iPhone apps crashing after iOS 17 update. To fix iPhone apps crashing after the iOS 17 update, you have to follow me. So first, open up the App Store from your iPhone. Then click on your profile icon from the top right corner. Now, you will get into your account and make sure you updated all the apps. After that, open up the settings and click on the General option. Then scroll down in General and click to shut down. And once you reopen your phone, it will ask you to enter your password to unlock the phone. Now, from the home page, long press on any of the following apps and choose to delete the app. After that, get back to Settings and go into General. Then, from General, choose the Software Update option. Make sure you have the latest version of your software. Once you have installed the software, it will fix your problem. After that, get back to General and click on Transfer or Restart iPhone. Then click on the Reset button and choose to reset all settings. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.